Yeah, it was like it was a reciprocal, but like if I remember, it's because like they're similar, but oh wait,
Okay, so let's
cosine.
go back to A and B. Scratch the theta. Let's go back to this triangle that I drew. Let's go back to A and B. What's the tangent of A?
A over B, right?
Okay, and what's the tangent of B?
B over A.
Does that give you a hint? The angles are not reciprocals. The tangents themselves are reciprocals. Okay, so the tangent, tangent of A equals what?
A over B.
A over B. Okay, tangent of B equals what?
B over A.
B over A.
Yeah, so yeah, A and B are like not the angles, but like
So these two values are reciprocals.
yeah,
right?
yeah, those are two. Yeah, those two are reciprocal.
I want to find a way to make these equal to each other. What do I do?
Both
Like
sides.
this. How do I make 2/3 equal to 3 over 2? But I can't touch this side. I can only touch this side.
Oh,
Okay.
oh, just that
What do I
side.
have to do?
So you can't touch the left side.
So if I put 1 over the whole thing, it becomes the reciprocal. I'll show you. So let's go back to A over B, okay? So what I'm saying is A over B equals 1 over B over A.
Oh wait. Oh,
Okay.
I see it. I see why it's
So
reciprocal.
1 over B over A is equal to 1 divided by B over A, right? Which equals 1 times the reciprocal, which is 1 times A over B. Does that make sense?
Yeah, it does. It does make sense.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, so if I go back to this page, to get these two equal to each other, I have to put 1 over, right?
Yeah. Uh-huh.
So if I go back to this one, tangent of theta equals 1 over what? Scratch this. Scratch this. Tangent of A equals 1 over what?
1 over tangent of B.
Okay, so
Oh,
tangent
wait,
of
so
theta equals 1 over. I can't hear you.
1 over tangent of B.
Tangent of theta equals 1 over what?
Tangent, tangent of B. Oh, wait.
I don't want B in this equation. I only want theta in this equation. That's why that's why I'm using theta and 90 minus theta, remember?
1 over 90 minus beta? Or
1 over
90 minus beta?
what happened to the tangent? Okay, look at how it went from this, to the top. Sine of A equals cosine of B. And that translated to sine of theta equals the cosine of 90 minus theta.
Wait, so doesn't the bottom have to be like B or something? Or actually no, beta, right?
Theta?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
Wait, hold on.
look at these two equations, the two sine and cosine equations, and look at what A transformed to and look at what B transformed to. Because nothing else changed, right? Only the A and B's changed. Sine and cosine are still in the same place, right? Okay, then apply the same change to this equation and tell me what this equation should be.
Wait, tangent, like the A got substituted into beta. So like,
Okay, which I already did, right? Tangent of theta equals 1 over what?
tangent of 90 minus beta?
This?
No, tangent. Because
So tell me what I should write here.
like, cause you put like tangent, so like, or like sine, right? Sine, and then you put like cosine of something, right? So I'm guessing you put tangent of something, right? Or wait, 90 minus. Oh, I said the same thing. The 90 minus beta is incorrect, right? Like just 90 minus beta.
Yes,
It is, right?
Incorrect.
Oh, what is it? Oh, like tangent parentheses 90 minus beta, is that correct? No? I'm so confused right now.
So this?
Yeah.
Okay, can you explain why it's this?
I was looking at, you told me to look at the thing on the top, so I was like, oh, since you substituted for something, like, so, like, I thought you had, since there's a cosine right here, then I'm guessing you had to put something right here, like behind it, right? So that's why, I don't know.
Okay, if you look at these two equations, what did A become?
Beta.
Theta.
Mm-hmm.
What did B become?
90 minus beta.
Okay, so read this equation. Read this equation without the stuff that I crossed out. So disregard this.
Tangent of A equals 1 over 20.
So read that equation.
You substitute, oh wait. A tangent of A equals 1 over tangent of B. So you substitute, oh wait, hold on. It's gonna be, yeah, so it is tangent of 90 minus B, right?
Okay. Does everything make sense to you now, or are you still confused?
Yeah, it does now.
You got it? Okay.
Yeah, I got it now.
Okay, great.
Oh,
What else? Okay. And then last time we went over, or we were going over the 30, 60, 90 triangle, right? That's 30, 60, 90. And then we also had the 45, 45, 90 triangle. Okay. So do you remember the lengths of these triangles? The side length?
The side length is like, so the 30, 60, 90 was like 2, right? Like the longest
Where's
one?
2?
The hypotenuse, right?
The hypotenuse. Okay, so if the hypotenuse is 2, then what are the sides? What are the lengths of the sides of the legs? Okay.
It's like 1, 1, right? Or
What,
no,
both legs?
no. 1 and then radical 3.
Where? Which one is 1 and which one is radical 3?
1 is on the no. Yeah, 1 is on the shorter line.
Okay.
And then radical 3 is on the
Radical 3. Good. Okay. How about the 45, 45, 90 triangle?
This one I think is 2, 1, 1.
Can't hear you.
2, 2, 1, 1. Like the
2,
legs are
1,
the
1.
same. Yeah.
The legs are the same. So the legs are 1.
Yeah.
And then this is 2.
Yeah.
Is it just 2?
2. Yeah. No, radical 2.
Radical 2.
Yeah.